Hey there, dreamers and doers. Have you ever had a brilliant idea? Something that you are so excited about, but then you wondered, wait, how do I make this stand out? I get it, because I have been there. Every time I come up with a fresh, brand new idea, I do not just dive into it blindly. I dig into what's already out there. Not to copy, but to validate my idea and find competitors in ways that are very practical, actionable, and trust me, fun. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot golden opportunities and turn your idea into a skyrocketing success. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First, let's talk about why does this even matter? When I get an idea, my first move is to see who is already doing something similar. It is not about stealing their playbook. It is about proving there is an audience out there who wants what I am dreaming up. Plus, it shows me what's doing well and where they are dropping the ball. That's where the magic happens. Those gaps and opportunities you can swoop in and own. But here is a quick warning. This can turn into a rabbit hole if you are not careful. You know, that endless scrolling when you're suddenly finding yourself stalking someone on their Instagram page at 2 a.m. in the morning? I'm sure that's not you. You've never done that. Well, I've been there. So we are going to keep this focused and effective. I'm giving you a 30-minute process that'll cut through the noise and uncover what you need to shine. All right, here is the plan. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Exactly 30 minutes, not 1 minute longer. And let's roll through these 5 steps. Ready? Let's go. Step number 1, Google search. I always start with Google. Type in your niche plus the product or the service you want to provide. Say what you are thinking. For example, fitness coaching for busy moms. Search that exact phrase and jot down 3 to 5 competitors. They'll normally be at the top of the page, no more than 5. Step number 2, social media sweep. Hop onto Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And if it is a business idea, then I would suggest LinkedIn. Search your keywords and hashtags. See what's trending and what are people actually posting about. Step number 3, check marketplaces. Look at platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, Amazon, or Gumroad. Are people selling things similar to your idea? What are they even charging for it? Step number 4 is dive into communities and forums. Head to Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, or niche groups. These are gold mines for hearing what people actually think, unfiltered. Step number 5 is peek into SEO toolkits. If you've got access to things like Ubersuggest, SEMrush, or Hrefs, use them to spy on your competitor's website. What keywords are they ranking for? And what does their traffic look like? That's it. 30 minutes, 5 steps. Now, while doing this, I want you to keep these 3 questions in your mind. Write these down. Number 1 is what's missing? Are people complaining about gaps? Number 2, what can I do better? Faster, cheaper, higher quality? And question number 3, can I add a unique twist, like a personal touch or a niche focus? These questions are your treasure map. Let's see how they play out with some real examples. Let's bring to life 2 examples. Example number 1. Imagine you want to start an online Spanish tutoring service. You then Google language tutoring for beginners and find a handful of competitors. Cool. Then you check Instagram labs. They're posting vocab lists. But in the comments, students are begging for real conversation practice. Over on Fiverr, review says tutors ghost their clients. So, what is the golden nugget out of all of this? Offer live, interactive conversation sessions with lightning fast response times. How do you stand out? Maybe 24/7 chat support. A real-world Spanish angle for travelers, or affordable group classes. Boom! Your idea is already leveling up. Now let's look at example number 2, a handmade jewelry business. Now picture you are selling handmade necklaces. You search Etsy for handmade necklaces. Tons of listings, but reviews grumble about how slow the shipping is and they can't personalize it. Then on Reddit, jewelry fans rave about getting eco-friendly options. Your golden nuggets? Use sustainable materials and offer customized engravings. Standout ideas? Eco-friendly packaging. A design your own feature. Or guarantee a 3-day delivery service. Suddenly, you're not just another seller. You're the seller they are talking about. See how this works? It's about listening to what's already out there and flipping it into something better. Now that you've got your insights, how do we make your idea pop? Here are some tried and true ways to differentiate. Superior customer support. Be the one that actually replies within 10 minutes. Pricing power. Go more affordable or lean more into a premium vibe. Personal branding. Let your personality shine. People buy from people. Target an underserved audience. Find the niche that no one is hitting. Add extra value. Throw in bonuses, customizations, or foster results. Pick 1 or 2 that vibe with your idea. The goal? Make it impossible for people to scroll past you. So, here is your homework. Don't worry, it's fun. Grab your idea, set up a 30-minute timer, and run through the steps. Google, social media, marketplaces, forums, maybe an SEO tool if you've got it. Answer those 3 big questions. What's missing? Can I do it better? Can I twist it uniquely? Then write down 2 to 3 ways you'll stand out based on what you found. If you follow this process, you really do it. You will uncover insights that will take your idea from meh to must have. I've used this exact method to launch projects that got traction fast, and I know it's going to work for you too. That's it, friends. Competitor research doesn't have to be an overwhelming process. I think the industry just makes it so complex that everybody just has a meltdown. I like to keep things simple, straightforward, and effective, and especially easy to use. This will be your secret weapon to building something that is unstoppable. So, what is your idea? Drop it in the comment section. Let's chat about it. I would love to hear what you're working on right now. If you did find this video helpful, please hit that like button, also smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Trust me, this is only one of tons of videos I am going to be sharing on this channel that is going to get you real results. Until next time, guys, keep dreaming big and research smart. I'll see you in the next video. Have fun.